Hi, Kelly. You know, the expectation is that we will see a loss from United. Really, we're going to see it from all of the airlines in the second quarter. But it's the commentary about what they expect in the third quarter and the fourth quarter, in particular with bookings and what kind of impact they might have seen or are seeing when it comes to the Delta variant. So when you take a look at United's Q2 report, which comes after the bell, a couple of things to focus on. First of all, will they say anything about reporting a profit in the month of June? What is the impact of the Delta variant? Has it slowed down leisure bookings? What's happening with corporate travel bookings? Passenger levels overall for the industry, they have increased over the last 3 months, but it's about down 20 to 21%. I wouldn't say it's plateaued, but it's not really growing much over the last 3 to 4 weeks. For United, the Q2 loss estimate is for $3.96 a share. Don't get too caught up on that number. If they beat it, it won't be a surprise. And I think the street is looking at whatever the results are in Q2, unless it's wildly out of line. And they're not going to pay a lot of attention there. What they will pay attention to, commentary on the conference call tomorrow, and to our interview coming up tomorrow morning, an exclusive on Squawk Box with the CEO of United Airlines, Scott Kirby. You do not want to miss what he has to say, not just about Q2, but more importantly, what they're seeing in terms of bookings for Q3 and the rest of this year. Kelly?
Phil, debt levels, I mean, have they, or what do you think we're down from the peaks, and roughly speaking, percentage-wise?
You mean how much more debt have they taken on?
Well,
or how much have they paid off?
How much have they paid off? And I'm asking you, you have about 3 seconds to respond.
Yeah, a small percentage,
okay.
But frankly, right now, the debt levels are not a huge driver of momentum on the stocks.
No, it's true. It's true. I think investors are trying to already look past that. Phil, we look forward to the results later. Thank you so much. Our Phil LeBeau.
You bet.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.